Click on the link below to get price. The VDL Mountain Electric Bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market, particularly for teens and adults seeking adventure on rugged terrains. With its robust 16-fat tires, this bike promises a comfortable ride, even on challenging surfaces like sand, snow, or bumpy trails. The wide tires enhance stability and grip, making it an excellent choice for users who want to explore off the beaten path without sacrificing control. One of the first aspects that impresses is the design. The bike features an ergonomic frame that accommodates various rider heights, making it suitable for both teens and adults. The wider seat is a notable highlight, providing added comfort for longer rides. This thoughtful design element addresses a common complaint among cyclists who often find standard seats uncomfortable after extended usage. The VDL Mountain Electric Bike is powered by a reliable motor that delivers a smooth riding experience. With multiple speed settings, riders can easily adjust their pace according to the terrain and their skill level. The electric assist feature is particularly beneficial for those tackling uphill climbs or navigating tricky trails, as it reduces the strain on the rider while still allowing for physical activity. Another significant advantage is the battery life. The bike's battery holds a commendable charge, allowing for longer rides without the constant worry of running out of power. Additionally, it charges relatively quickly, making for minimal downtime between adventures. However, potential buyers should be aware of its weight. As a fat tire e-bike, it is bulkier than traditional bikes and might be challenging to lift or maneuver in certain situations. It's essential to consider personal strength and storage capabilities when deciding on this model. Overall, the VDL Mountain Electric Bike offers exceptional value, combining versatility, comfort, and performance. It's an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking to enhance their biking experience, making it a worthy investment for both teens and adults.